Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's tutorial, I'll show you how to use Zoho CRM for sales. This powerful tool can help you manage leads, track deals, and close sales efficiently. So, let's dive in. Now the first step is to capture and qualify leads. Start by adding or importing leads into the CRM. Use the leads model to view all your prospects. You can do that after you log into your account and be directed to your dashboard. From here, you can create new models, you can add new models from here, you can view them, and you can view all your prospects. After that, you can qualify leads by adding notes and scheduling follow-ups and assigning them to sales reps. Now the second step is to track deals in the sales pipeline. Move qualified leads to the deals model and create a deal for each opportunity and set stages like negotiations or won/lost. Update deal stages regularly to keep the pipeline accurate. As for the third step is to use the reports and analytics. You can use the reports and use Zoho CRM's built-in reports to track sales, performance, and forecast revenues and share insights with your team to identify areas for improvements. And that's it. That's how you can use Zoho CRM for sales. If you like this video and found this helpful, please like and subscribe and feel free to leave a comment below the video if you have further more questions about this topic. Thanks for watching and see you again in the next tutorial.